little bit low voice, huh? A little bit of a low voice. Mr. Anderson, cheers. Oh my god, we got 10. Yeah, but better use PayPal. Thank you very much. Kier on demand. Kier. I don't even know you. Because my YouTube payments, they don't work very good anymore. Better use PayPal. But thank you anyway. I hope I can receive the money from YouTube, because YouTube, yeah, it's sometimes it goes crazy. Mr. Anders, cheers. Daniel, Merry Christmas. That gay brother, and don't do this, okay? Don't show funny names. Cheers, Graham. Graham, can you say, yeah, thank you, Kier on and Max. Graham, can you say in the line group I'm live? Thank you. Okay, spend. Yeah, it was a year. It was a year for me also. A lot of hospital visits. Yeah, my bladder was removed. I had surgery on my liver. A lot of scans, MRIs. Now I still have 4 or 5 consultations to go. But yeah, it's basically I have another operation to come. It's gonna be a liver transplantation. It's necessary, apparently. But it can take 3 months, half a year before you come on the list for transplantations. And then, but I have to do it, say the doctor, otherwise it can spread out. So after that, maybe also, it's not 100% sure, but also a lung transplantation. Because I have a disease in my lungs. Yeah, it's Gen A virus, or no, it's not a virus, Gen A or something, Gen. They're gonna make scans now from that first, and then they can decide if I also get a lung transplantation. I hate surgeries, really. I don't care about the money, but on the lung transplantation, yeah, there's only 3 hospitals in Belgium that do that liver transplantation. So I'm gonna be far away from home, in Leuven, near Brussels. That also, and the recovery, it can take 1 week, it can take 2 months recovery. But that's, yeah, it's gonna be, yeah, I don't know when of what, or they have to, but I have to get a lung transplantation sooner or later. Yeah. That's a fact. Maybe Christmas, yeah. Maybe Christmas, everybody. Hope you're doing good. Hope everybody is doing good. 27 people watching. StreamYard link is clicked, so anybody can come on if you want. If I know you. So my next consultation, when is it? Next week, I think 29th of December. I have a consultation for my urine for pissing. It's just a checkup. And my next one is 9th of January. 14th of January, I have another one. And 23 or something. Yeah. Then I know much more. But yeah, I have to get that operation. I don't have a choice otherwise. I have maybe, yeah. Yeah, holiday to Pattaya, to be honest. If you don't, I cannot drink anymore, of course not, but I cannot smoke also anymore. No drinking, no smoking. What you gonna do in Pattaya? CVO guy said also he stopped drinking and smoking, even marijuana. So, but he's going to Pattaya in February, or what did he say? Yeah, also financial. I know my finances are a little bit below zero, but it's doable. Even if I have the money, yeah, I don't know if I go back to Thailand or whatever. 28 people watching. So you're a little bit up to date now. I wanted to tell you that so everybody knows. No rumors, no gossip, no. Because there's a lot of gossip going on here in the YouTube world. It's unbelievable. A lot of shit talk and trolls and so yeah, Christmas. Yeah, I had some nice pork tenderloin, pepper sauce, mayonnaise, french fries. Yeah, had to eat alone. No family or friends here. I called the OZ, the Wizard of Oz. Yeah, Merry Christmas. It's all overrated. It's all overrated. There are some documentaries now on what is it, History Channel or something, about Jesus. if he really lived, where did he live, how did he die, you know. I have to still have to watch that. I look a lot of movies, of course. Always looked, love to watch movies, soaps. I have Netflix, Prime Video, but my Prime Video stops at the end of the month, and I have Disney Plus, so you can't watch it all. You know. Maybe should do also a live stream on my big channel, my Steff Traveler channel. Still can do that. Maybe with New Year or something. Maybe can you stream on two channels at the same time? On this one, on my other? I don't know. I'm so out of that tech stuff on YouTube. Yeah, Cheap Charlie. At least he is consequent on live streaming. He gets the job done, Cheap Charlie, in a funny way. But yeah, he's still a young guy, you know. He don't have any medical history. He don't have any medical issues. Young, healthy guy who can play basketball, push-ups, working on his abs. Wish I could do that also.